What's up guys, Robbie Blanchard here, and thank you so much for visiting. Now, because you're watching this video, that tells me that you're interested in how to make more money online using Clickbank and Facebook, using this 3-step method that I've put together. And it will be a life changer for you and your family. And I don't say that lightly, guys, because I'm living proof of it. I didn't even know what Clickbank was just a few short years ago, and here I am, the #1 affiliate in the world on Clickbank. Now, what does it mean to be the #1 affiliate in the world? Well, it means that I'm making the most revenue each and every month, more than anybody else in the world. So you can see here, guys, when you log in, you can see my Clickbank account that I'm making a lot of money each and every day. In fact, there are days where I'm making $20,000 a day in revenue, $30,000 a day, $50,000 a day currently as of yesterday, which is pretty crazy, right, to think about. Just imagine making $50,000 in a day. A lot of people don't even make that in a year, guys, and here I am doing it in just one day. And the crazy part is, guys, with this system, this method that I teach you, you don't have to work 10 hours a day in order to do that, guys. In fact, most days I'm spending maybe an hour a day making it happen, just making some changes, and that's it, guys. It really is not super labor intensive, but it's very, very profitable and it's very scalable, which is awesome, guys. So make sure you check out this page, guys. On this page, you're gonna have the opportunity to read my story. You're gonna get my entire system of how I've generated tens of thousands of dollars a day. Okay, so make sure you register below. I can't wait to see you in the course and in the training. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna be there with you every step of the way. So register below, and I'll talk to you guys later.